I wanted to give like a little bit of a breakdown on the Schumann resonance. And so that is the Earth's heartbeat, and there's many, many beautiful souls out there that are giving their information to humanity and helping them understand what it is and how it's affecting humanity and everybody. And so that's what's triggering and ascending all consciousness. And so what I want to talk about is frequency and vibration. And so there's one of the specific people that talk about the Schumann resonance I absolutely love, and that is Erin Brown. And that is because she is 100% completely transparent. She's very knowledgeable in as far as what she understands and how she explains it, but at the same time, if she don't, she's very transparent about that. And so she just says, I'm not sure, and that's what I love about her. She doesn't try to make it like she understands. She talks about what she's, knowledged in, but she also says, some things I just don't know. But, so I love her. I love her, I love her, I love her. But I wanted to talk about the Schumann resonance and how it's affecting humanity and how to understand it in a vibrational frequency way, if that makes sense. And so what I mean by that is the Schumann resonance is the Earth's heartbeat, which is also a reflection of humanity's heartbeat as a whole, so unity. And so talking about frequency, talking about vibration, I want to talk about penetration and how it's affecting the readings, or how it's graphed, and also how it's affecting humanity. And so when she talks about her and many, there's many beautiful people out there giving it information about it. But when she talks about it, her specifically, she talks about the integration and then the release. And so when it comes to frequencies and vibrations, they are measured, so that graph is measured based on the type of frequency or the type of vibration. And so the vibration is what creates the penetration, and the frequency is the radiation wave, if that makes sense. And so that is measured based on how fast, how big, that kind of thing. And so when we talk about an alpha wave, okay, that is going to be much larger. That's also going to be much faster. So when she talks about integration, when we're feeling that on the graph and how we're feeling it in our consciousness, those are the alpha waves that we are feeling. So when that integration comes in, that's totally alpha. Now we're going to go with maybe like a delta wave. That's going to be much smaller, much slower. And so with those smaller, slower radiation waves, light codes coming from our sun, penetrating the earth, affecting the earth, and affecting humanity, that's where we're going to get more of the release. And so more of the alpha rays penetrating the earth and humanity is going to be more of your alpha. So we're going to integrate, and that's when we feel those integration feelings. And then when it slows down and gets smaller, that's going to be more of our release. And so depending on what you're feeling, some people are feeling more of the integration, where some is feeling more of the release. But it depends on what type of radiation or light code ray frequency and vibration that we are receiving. And so when it's measured, think frequency, think vibrations.